Understanding 3D printing, an innovative technology. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing. This technology is reshaping how we create and think about objects. If you're curious about what 3D printing is and how it works, you're in the right place. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. It's called 3D printing because the process involves laying down many thin layers of material until the object is created. Each layer is like a thinly sliced horizontal cross-section of the eventual object. The process begins with a 3D model. You can create this model in a computer-aided design (CAD) program or scan a real object to make a 3D digital copy. This model is then sliced into hundreds or thousands of horizontal layers by specialized software. The 3D printer reads these layers and creates the object layer by layer, which fuses them together to create the final shape. 3D printing has numerous applications. It's used in medicine to create prosthetics and dental implants, in aerospace for making parts for planes and spacecraft, and in manufacturing for prototyping and producing parts. Even in everyday life, 3D printing is used to make everything from toys to home decor. One of the key benefits of 3D printing is its flexibility. You can create complex shapes and designs that would be impossible or too expensive with traditional manufacturing methods. It's also faster in many cases, and it can be more sustainable, as it generates less waste. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of 3D printing and its incredible potential. Whether for professional use or personal projects, 3D printing opens up a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.